You will need 2 strips of KT tape for this application. Flex your upper body forward to create a light stretch on your back. Prepare a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. Apply the anchor with no stretch 4 inches below the point of pain on one side of your spine. With a light stretch on the tape, apply the strip along the spine covering the painful area. Finally, apply a second anchor with no stretch, and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to improve adhesion. Repeat with the second strip parallel to the first, on the other side of the spine. Rub the application for improved adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.